Welcome, amazing friends. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to solve this Math Olympiad exponential equation. It's just very simple. Meanwhile, if you know your own method, let me know in the comments. If you don't, let me show you the easiest way to solve. And at the end of the solving, we're going to check for our solution. It's going to be amazing. So we're going to begin with solution. Okay. Now, when you look at this question, you observe that at this side, these numbers are repeated, so you can choose to factor it out. So let's factor one out. Okay, then open a bracket, use this to divide this, and when you divide the number by itself, it gives you 1. Did you see that? So we're going to have 1 plus, when this divides this, it also gives 1. Everything is equal to 100. Interesting. Now what do you do again? You will now add this it to give you 2, and to remove the bracket, you multiply. So we're going to have 5 to the power of m is multiplied by 2 is equal to 100. Now to remove these 2, you divide, because this is multiplying. So divide by 2 and do same here, so that the equation will be balanced. And if you do that, we are going to now have this will take off this. So we have 5 to the power of m is equal to, divide this, it gives us 50. So what do you do at this point? We are going to now take log of both sides to find the value of m. So in that case, we are going to have log of 5 to the power of m is equal to log of 50. Now what do you do? Just remember this rule. And the rule says that when you have log of a to the power of x, use the power to multiply. It becomes x log a. Okay, so this is going to be our guide. And to do that, from this point, we are going to now have this becomes the power, so use it to multiply. So we have m log 5 is equal to log of 50. So what do you do? Divide both sides by log of 5. Okay, so you do same here. And if you do that, this cancels. So we're going to have m is equal to, we are going to now have log of 50 out of log of 5. But don't be too quick to make your conclusion that this is the value of m. Observe that this value of m is not yet simplified. So to simplify it to the lowest form, let me show you what you will do. Remember, 50 is the same thing as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, these are the prime numbers of this, so we call it the prime factoring of this 50. Now what do you do? This is the same also as 5 to the power of 2, because it's 2 multiplied by this, we still give you back 50. So let's apply this here. So this is going to give us m is equal to log of, this is giving us 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. Did you see that? All divided by log of 5. Now what do you do? Just remember this rule, which says that when I have log of a multiplied by b, it simply means log of a plus log of b. So this is going to be another guide. Now let's apply this rule here to simplify, and to do that, we are going to now have m is equal to, we have log of 5 to the power of 2, then multiplication sign turns to addition. Did you see that? Then we have log of 2. All are divided by log of 5. I hope you are still with me. Now at this point, just remember this rule again, which says that when you have log, remember this is the power. Okay, so this power can multiply the log. So in that case, we are going to now have m is equal to 2 log 5, okay, plus log 2. At this point, we can choose to use this to divide each of them. I hope you are seeing what we're doing. Divide this also with this, because it's the denominator. So in that case, we are going to have m is giving us, observe that this is log 5, this is log 5. They are the same. So you are free to cancel out. And if you do that, you'll be left with 2. So we have 2 plus. Now here we're going to have log of 2, okay, all divided by log of 5. Now remember also, very important, that if I have log of a over log of b, it is log of A, okay, then base B. We call it the change of base rule. So let's apply this to make it look beautiful. And to do that, we're going to have m is giving us 2 plus log of 2, obeying this. So we have log of 2 base 5, and this becomes the value of you observe that this is the lowest form because the numbers we have here are all prime numbers. So we have been able to simplify. Now let's do a check to know if our solution is correct. So to check, what do? We are going to put this value at the left side. Let's see if it will give us hundreds. So join me as we do it. So we're going to now have 5, okay, raise it to the power of this m. So we have 2 plus log of 2 base 5 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus log of 2 base 5. Okay, now to simplify this, remember this rule of your exponents. And the rule says that, let's take this off. The rule says that when you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, it means a to the power of m plus n. So in this case, you observe that this is of this form. So let's split it with multiplication. So from here, we are going to now have 5 to the power of 2. Addition sign, we turn to multiplication. So we have 5 also to the power of log of 2 base 5. And that is what you also have here. So let's quickly repeat it. I hope you are seeing what we're doing. Multiply by 5 log 2 base 5. So what do? This is giving us 5 to the power of 2 is 5 multiplied 2 times to give us 25. Okay, then multiply by. Now when you look at this, what do you think you should do here? Let me remind you of this rule. And what does the rule say? The rule says that when you have a to the power of log of b base a, when the general base and the base of the log are the same, the value is always this number b. So to apply this here, we are going to now have, if you observe, you see that this is 5 and here is 5. So they are the same. It will give us 2. So we have 2. Okay, plus this is also 25 multiplied by 2. And from this point, we are going to now have 25 multiplied by 2 will give us 50. So we are going to have 50 plus, if you multiply this, it gives you 50. And when you add these two, it gives you hundreds. And that is what we have at the right side. So what does it mean? It means that this, our value of m, is correct. And I hope you learned a lot. Let's know how much in the comment. And don't forget to share for more people to learn the skills we just displayed. Remember to subscribe for the more tips, and don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up. I will see you in our next class to tell you more. Till then, bye bye.